Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about conjunctions. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, phrases or sentences. A conjunction joins nouns, sentences, phrases or clauses. They connect two or more words or sentences. Let's see some conjunctions. For, and, nor, but, or, yet. So, these are few conjunctions which form a word FANBOYS, fanboys. So it is very easy to remember these conjunctions since the beginning alphabet of these words make the word fanboys. Conjunction joining words. Coordinating conjunctions can join two nouns, verbs, adjectives or other type of words. The data was gathered through questionnaires and interviews. I don't like to run or swim. He was late but lazy. Conjunction joining phrases. They can also join different type of phrases. The dog wagged his tail and panted excitedly. This victory could yet put the team into the finals. She usually studies in the library or at the cafe. Conjunctions joining sentences. They can also join different types of sentences. I was going to earn an A in maths, but I failed with the final test. We could have dinner before the movie, or we could grab a bite afterwards. I really want a kitten, yet my mom says we have too many cats. Use of conjunction for. It explains a reason or purpose, typically with two independent clauses. Conjunction for. Examples are, I told her to leave for I was very tired. She must have been very hungry for she ate everything immediately. He is overweight for he eats too many cakes and biscuits. Let's not fight about the past, for today is a new day. Let's see some examples of conjunction and. Sam and Ramesh are good singers. He parked the truck in front of the gate and went inside the building. I play tennis and I swim. On Saturdays, we usually visit the zoo and on Sundays, we go to the park. I bought a skirt, some shoes and a jacket. Let's see the use of conjunction nor. It's used to present a second negative idea to join a negative idea in the first clause. For example, my sister doesn't like to study, nor does she take notes in class. He could not speak, nor could he understand anything we said. Our family hasn't been to New York nor have been to Florida. She did not return that night nor the night after. Use of conjunction but. But is used to introduce an opposing idea. It shows contrast between two words, phrases, or ideas of equal importance. Let's see some examples of conjunction but. It was a sunny day, but the wind was cold. The stick was thin, but it was strong. He was ill, but he went to work. She is poor but honest. She is 40 years old, but she looks much younger than her real age. Use of conjunction or. It presents an alternative or a choice like and. It can be used between two of the same parts of speech as well as two phrases or clauses. For example, would you rather read a book or watch a good TV show? I can't decide if I should study economics or political science. Do you prefer to go to bed early or to stay up late? Do you like playing football or badminton? Would you like tea or juice? Use of conjunction yet. It introduces a contrasting idea that follows the preceding idea logically. Let's see some examples with conjunction yet. I always take a book to the beach, yet I never seem to turn a single page. The students like their teacher, yet they wish he graded more fairly. Pearl would like to make pasta, yet she is also in a mood for sandwich. Although he is rich, yet he is miser. Her advice seems strange, yet I believe she is right. Use of conjunction so. It indicates an effect, result, or consequence from an action in the earlier clause. Examples of conjunction so are: I like to read, so I didn't mind the long reading assignment. The grocery store was closed, so we went to the farmer's market instead. Our car didn't start, so we called a mechanic. A baby bird fell out of its nest, so we took care of it. He lost the key, so he couldn't get into his room. I hope you all have understood this lesson. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do press the subscribe button to get the update of my coming new videos. Thank you.